You and I know you ain't about that life.
Drop with me now. Drop with me now. Drop with me now. Drop with me now.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this real?